Hi, I'm Bob Holcomb from Apex Automotive in Great Barrington, Massachusetts. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about how to install a set of fog lights or how to connect them. On most fog lights that you buy aftermarket, you're going to have two wires, a negative and a positive. These wires eventually have to connect to your electrical system. They're going to connect to your electrical system with a switch, an on-off switch. Sometimes it's a good idea, if you're using more than two fog lights, to have a relay in place. The switch will be mounted in the car under the dash or somewhere that you can access it so you can turn the lights on and off when you'd like. The lights will be bolted to the front bumper, either down low or up high, your personal preference. We'll need to run a set of wires, one wire that goes to the ground or negative. That can go pretty close to the light, anywhere on the frame that you can get a good ground, or you could run a wire right back to the negative side of the battery. Either way will work. Sometimes it's easier just to run it right to the negative side of the battery. The other wire, the positive, will come from your switch. A positive wire will run from the battery to the switch and then back from the switch to the light. When you turn the switch on, it completes the circuit and the light comes on. These are a couple of quick tips on how to wire your fog lights. I'm Bob Holcomb from Apex Automotive in Great Barrington, Massachusetts.